Target EHR login page. Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll be guiding you through the process of logging into your Target EHR account. Let's jump right into it and get started. Firstly, open your default web browser in your device and then search for Target EHR login page in the search bar. Tap on the link that says login by target.com. Then you'll be taken to the home page of the Target EHR site. On the top right side of the screen, you'll find a sign in button. You can tap on it. You'll be taken to the sign in page. In this sign in page, enter your email address or your phone number in the email/phone number section. Also enter your password in the password field and check right on keep me signed in checkbox. Finally, tap on sign in button. Then you can even tap on forgot password if you want to restore your password. Create your account Target, so you want to do it right now. And this was everything you need to know to be able to log into Target EHR website. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.